Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to create this eye makeup look using the Jaclyn Hill palette that she created with Morphe brushes. Going in with this shade, it's like a light taupey mauve color, and I'm just applying that all over the crease with the Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm using this as my transition shade. And then next I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm using more of a tapered blending brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. Using both of these two shades, mixing them a little bit and applying that on the outer corner, and just applying that also into the crease using wiper motions to blend as I go. So this is the same shade, I'm just building up the color intensity, and again just keeping it in the crease. I did fast forward this part, so sorry about that. I'm also going to go in with this shade right here. It's more of like a darker plum, and again apply that same thing in the outer corner and just blending the rest of the product into the crease. So I'm going back in with that Sigma E40 blending brush to blend all of the hard edges out. So for the lid shade, I'm going in with this really pretty, like a coppery color almost, but it has more of like a pink undertone. And I'm just patting that on right all over the lid, trying to keep away from the outer corner because I do want that dark plum to show up on the outer corner. So I'm just kind of blending at the same time using the patting motions. And then I did wet my brush this time using this shadow right here. It's just like a really light pink, and I want that right in the center for the pop of dimension. I feel that with my ring finger, it just went on a lot more vibrant, so that's why I'm using my finger. I added a little bit more of that light pink shade. See how pigmented it is with the finger instead? So then I'll go back in with the other shade that I used before and just put that in the inner corner and blend out the outer edges right there of the light pink shade. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of that dark plum shade and just kind of blend everything together really lightly because I don't want it to look too muddy. So again, just in the outer corner, blending everything together, and then I will apply my mascara. And I'm also going to do on the lower lash line what I did in the crease, just using the dark plum shades and the very light transition shade that I used towards the inner corner. And then I'm going to apply some false lashes. These are from the Makeup Shack in the style Dubai. These are amazing. They're my new favorite lashes. I follow them on Instagram, and again they're just called the Makeup Shack. So finishing off the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with this Hello Flawless finishing powder from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm obsessed with this powder. I don't know what I've been doing without it, but I just love how it just gives you that flawless finish after you apply your foundation and everything. So here I'm just going to bronze a little bit, add some warmth back to my face. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I believe it's in the shade Deep Darkest. I will put everything in the name in the description box down below. So I'm just applying that around my forehead area, cheekbones, jawline, etc. And then I'm going to go in with some blush. I love this blush. This is from Sigma, and it is in the shade Cor de Rosa. And then I'm also going to apply some highlight. For today's highlight, I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie for me. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood, and I'm just applying that with a dry sponge. I spritz it with MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm just applying that and pressing it into the cheekbones and the forehead and the tip of the nose. And then I'm going to apply my lipstick. I'm using MAC Stripdown Lip Liner and then filling my lips in with this, and then I'll go in with a gloss on top. I'm also quickly just going to contour my nose. I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics. It is their highlight and contour palette that came out a few years ago. I love these shades. I still have the palette. I love it for this because the shades they're not too warm and not too red, so they're perfect for that nose contour. So that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.